Here we go. We got some more relaxing sounds. Starting off, Dreamsicle. This is the OG relaxing sound. One of the best. You guys don't remember this. Next up, we have Strong Remote. Now, I know you guys have been asking me to do the scanning sound, and I would love to, but the problem is I have no idea where it is. So, we'll have to find something else to replace it from now, but we'll find it, hopefully. I can't count on it, though. It is blue, correct, purple, orange, yellow, and red. Very good. Next up, got a new one. Stamp. Stamp you. Yeah. Stamp you. One more. Perfect. Good job. Next up, Mister. I love this one just as much as you guys do. Next up, storytelling. These are gonna get more and more quick, so you can zoom through these. You're walking and it's Halloween, and you come to a guy's store. You knock, no answer. You ring the doorbell, no answer. You start banging, bang. But eventually, it opens. And the guy inside is not happy. So, throws you some candy. And later, you go back home, grab some eggs, and throw it at his house. Don't do that. That is not nice. The end. Next up, we have another new sound. Camera. Say cheese. Or cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. And say cheese. Let's go one from over here. Say cheese. Alright, look up, say cheese. Alright, look down now. Say cheese. Great job. And finally, I'm gonna end it off with pick a stick. Pick a number 1 through 17. I'll pick 17. 1. Did you pick 1? I'm just going for 12 this time. Which number are you going for? Actually, I'm going for 5. This number has been very lucky. No way. I was right. 5 is like the luckiest number on my channel. Everybody in comments, just type 5. But actually, never mind, don't type 5. Put 5 in your sentence if you're going to comment anything. If you're commenting anything, just put a 5 in there somehow. I'm going to go for 12 this time. 2. Alright, let's go one more. Stick in the 12. Actually, I'm going to switch to 17. 16. Did you pick 16? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.